Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by powering and prepping both devices. Put the keyboard into its Wi-Fi pairing mode now. This is the action that initiates the connection. On your host device, open Wi-Fi settings and look for the keyboard's SSID. Make sure you know the password or PIN. Once found, select that network but do not finalize any advanced settings yet. You're creating the link. These steps get both sides ready so the detailed handshake can proceed next. Now you establish the actual link between keyboard and host. Select the keyboard SSID on your device, type the PIN or password exactly as shown, and confirm the connection. If asked, accept DHCP so the router assigns an IP automatically. Use static IP only when the manual recommends it. Once connected, open the keyboard's companion app or settings to complete calibration and layout selection. Make sure you grant any. Finish by testing the keyboard thoroughly. Type, use function keys, and check latency. Once satisfied, save settings in the app so the host remembers the keyboard, then reboot both devices to cement the persistent connection. If something goes wrong, first restart the keyboard and host, then re-enter the Wi-Fi password and confirm you selected the correct SSID. If problems persist, check for firmware updates in the app and repeat pairing. That single troubleshooting step resolves most stubborn connection errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.